In this example, our goal is to solve for x. We have the equation 6x plus 7y equals 4x minus 3y. So in this equation, we have both x's and y's. So we're not going to be able to get a numeric answer. We're going to get an expression that is in terms of both x and y. But by solving for x, our goal is to get x completely by itself. So the first thing that I notice is I have x's on both sides of the equation. I want to get them on the same side. A lot of times we like to have what we're looking for on the left side of the equation. So I'm going to move the 4x. So there is basically a plus sign in front of this 4x that we don't normally write because we don't really need it. So to undo that addition, we are going to subtract. We're going to subtract 4x on both sides. So over here on the right, 4x minus 4x cancels out. So we're left with 6x minus 4x plus 7y is equal to a negative 3y. Now, if I'm working this problem, I would have combined the 6x minus 4x as I went, but since this is our first example, I wanted to break it down a little bit slower. So when I take 6x minus 4x, that is going to leave me with 2x. And then I still have plus 7y, and on the right, that's equal to negative 3y. My goal is to get x by itself, so I can see that I need to move the 7y term to the other side. It's being added to the 2x, so I need to do the opposite, which is subtract. And whatever I do to one side, I have to do to the other. So I'm going to subtract 7y on both sides. The 7y cancels on the left, leaving me with only a 2x on the left. And I get negative 3y minus 7y on the right. Now, 3 plus 7 is 10, and they're both negative, so they just add up. So simplifying, I get 2x is equal to negative 10y. I still need to get x by itself, so I can do that by dividing both sides by 2, because 2 is multiplied by x. To undo the multiplication, I need to divide. The 2's cancel on the left, leaving me with x equals negative 10 over 2 times y. Now, in math class, you'd basically be done, but in physics, we do like to simplify. I guess in math, you probably would have simplified this down too. 10 divided by 2 is 5, so that leaves me with negative 5 times y. So my answer is x equals negative 5y. So this is not something I could plug into a calculator, but it is my answer, and I am done. Thank you.